Welcome! In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to disable the Protect Your Videos feature on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. This process is simple and straightforward, so let's get started. First, open X in your browser and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand side menu. There, you'll see a variety of options. Scroll down and click on the More icon. It's usually represented by 3 dots. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your account. From here, click on Your Account. This section contains all the essential information related to your account settings. Now, proceed to Account Information. You may need to enter your password or verify your identity to access this section. Once inside, look for an option labeled Protected Posts. Click on Protected Posts, and you'll see a toggle for Protect Your Videos. To disable this feature, simply switch the toggle off. Once done, your videos will no longer be protected, meaning they are accessible without restrictions. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the Protect Your Videos feature on X using your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need it. Thanks for tuning in.